Hello everyone, my dear friends. So today I am gonna be unboxing the ring light, which is the mini ring light. So let's go. So this mini ring light is price is just 144. I can put the link in the description of this mini ring light. So let's open. So in this box I got this mini USB charger. It's been USB pin, but not a charger. And now they give me this a mini ring light, which is so cute, and I like this pink color of this ring light, so I get this both. So I show you how to open this ring light, how to on the ring light. So see here they give a one button. You have to press that button and you can on the ring light. In this they give the three level: low, medium and the high, like that. So you can see I on in front of you all, you can see. And now I put in my front of my phone camera, so you can also it very easily. See, it's so nice, light on my face. It's so naturally, I love it. If you want to buy, then check the link in the description.